Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2023 Ducati Hypermotard 950. This thing is badass, and it only has 89 miles on it. You gotta be kidding me. It's got the Ducati safety pack with ABS, frame sliders, engine and handguards, gorgeous Ducati red, L-twin 950 cc's of torquey power, Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires, and again, 89 miles. This bike's brand new. Come on by, check it out. Price to sell for just $14,999. Make your Ducati dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. This thing's ready to go. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.